Good morning, my dear students. I am here with English grammar. Already we have completed the syllabus of English grammar, and today I am going to give you a quick revision. I am not going to explain everything as it is. I am just going to do the quick revision, and the first lesson is from words to sentences. From words to sentences. I explain. I am not going to explain everything like I explained in my first class. So from this lesson you need to study the definition of a sentence, and there is one exercise: rearrange each group of words to make a meaningful sentence. When I checked 2 or 3 students copy, I understood you are not using capital letters and full stop. So it is very important that you have to start the sentence in capital with capital and end it with a full stop. So this set of answers, exercise A, rearrange each group of words to make a meaningful sentence. You have to write it in copy and learn it. Okay. Again and again don't ask what to write in copy, what to write in copy. So from lesson 1, definition plus exercise A, you have to write. Like those for the newcomers, I am just telling the answer. Number 1, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Number 2, bad habits grow unconsciously. Number 3, dogs bark at the strangers. Number 4, the policeman protects our lives and property. Number 5, sound does not travel as quickly as light. Number 6, it is not good to eat too much sugar. And number 7, who can count the stars in the sky? It's a question, so you should put a question mark at the end. And now we are going to 1.1, that is subject and predicate. Subject and predicate. Here also children, when I checked the file, you have made some mistake. So I just want to clarify it. Separate the subject and predicate. When we separate the predicate we are always separating when the verb starts. Verb will come in the predicate part, and other one is not subject. So the girls are singing. Girls, subject, are singing, predicate. God, subject, loves us all, predicate. Charity, subject, is a noble virtue, predicate. I is subject and will sing songs of your goodness, that is predicate. Lucy, subject, was as happy as a lark, that is predicate. The soldier, subject, and rest is predicate. Then 7 and 8 you children are making confusion. Run away from here. Run away from here. Here. His run is not the subject. In this case, we have to add a subject you. We have to addition, we have to make you. And this you will be subject and this will be predicate part. For a sentence, if we cannot find a subject, then we have to add the subject you. And similarly for next one also, you is subject, laugh and make merry, that is predicate. Again, don't make this mistake. Laugh and make merry. And the rest of all is easy. John and Joseph, subject, were rewarded is predicate. Monkeys, subject, are always up to play tricks, predicate. Beautiful scenes, subject, are delightful to the eyes, that is predicate. Fort St. George, subject, was built by the British, predicate. So these 12 sentences you need to write in copy and study. And just one more page I will explain. That is exercise number B. Complete the sentences by supplying suitable subjects. This you can study from the book. No need to write in copy. We are going to apply or write suitable subjects. He is an honest boy. Children like sweets. The ship began to sing. The train arrived at the correct time. All my friends are going to Mumbai. Any subject you can use. My parents are going to Mumbai. My friends are going to Mumbai. We are going to Mumbai. Anything. A person should be honest. Or we can write one should be honest. All should be honest. Any answer. Next is, my brother is riding a horse. My father is riding a horse. My sister is riding a horse. Right. Supper is served at night. Supper or dinner you can write. Then up went the kite. So these are the subjects you have to apply. Similarly, we are going to apply suitable predicate. That is, the songs of birds are quite sweet. Birds are quite sweet. Barking of dogs keeps the thieves away. Barking of dogs keep the thieves away. Keeps. The policeman must be devoted to his work. The doctor is helpful to us in curing ailments. Many children spend a lot of time in playing games. The books are our never-failing friends. No one should be above law. LAW law rules. The tired man needs rest and sleep. You must obey the elders or obey the elders. The story narrated by you was quite interesting. So these are the predicate part. You can use any predicate and fill up the blanks. So here I'm just stopping my class. It's a revision, so I'm just taken 8 minutes revision. If any doubt, please send message, but only don't send again and again unnecessary messages. Okay, because I am telling everything in the class. Listen the video and do whatever is required. Okay, thank you for listening.